Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Bagara rice in an instant pot. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for delicious Bagara rice. You'll need 1.5 cups of fragrant basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of rich ghee, 1 large onion thinly sliced, and a selection of whole spices like cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, and cloves. Make sure your 2-quart Instant Pot is clean and ready. Remember to rinse your basmati rice until the water is perfectly clear. Then let it soak for about 20 minutes to achieve that ideal texture. Now let's build those incredible flavors. Set your Instant Pot to the sauté mode and melt 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once hot, add your whole spices, think 2 bay leaves, 3 green cardamom pods, and a 1-inch cinnamon stick, and let them become fragrant for about 30 seconds. Then, introduce your thinly sliced onion. Sauté these until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes, releasing their sweet aroma. It's time to combine everything for pressure cooking. Carefully drain your soaked basmati rice, ensuring no excess water remains, and add it directly into the Instant Pot with the sautéed aromatics. Gently stir the rice for about 1 minute, allowing it to lightly toast and absorb some of those wonderful flavors. Next, pour in 2¼ cups of water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Secure the lid, making sure the vent is sealed, and prepare for pressure cooking. For perfectly fluffy Bagara rice, set your Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. This crucial step helps the rice grains fully absorb moisture and become tender. After 10 minutes, quick release any remaining pressure. Open the lid and with a fork, gently fluff the aromatic rice. Serve your delicious Bagara rice hot alongside your favorite curry or raita for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.